Sleep better tonight. Secret tips you haven't heard before. Tried everything and still can't sleep? These secret tips might surprise you, but they actually work. Tip 1. Paradoxical intention. Try to stay awake. Yes, you heard it right. Paradoxical intention tells your brain you don't need to sleep, which reduces anxiety around it and makes you drowsy faster. Tip 2. Scent conditioning. Use the same scent every night. Lavender, sandalwood, whatever works. Over time, your brain links that smell with sleep. It becomes a natural signal to power down. Tip 3. The 4-7-8 breathing method. To try this breathing method, inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. It slows your heart rate and calms your nervous system, perfect before bed. Tip 4. Blink slowly before bedtime. This helps signal to your brain it's time to shut down. If your body starts acting sleepy, your brain starts to believe it. Try it. Lay in bed and blink slowly and heavily for about 30 seconds. Sleep doesn't have to be a struggle, sometimes you just need the right trick. Follow for more tips that go beyond the basics. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to let me know you want more videos like these.